Alright, just a little pregnancy update for everyone. First off, look at this terribleness. It's atrocious. I swore that I was not going to video myself unless I had makeup on while doing these vlogs. But let's be real. Let's have like real life moments. Like right now, that it is 8:45 at night and I can't stop thinking about Raising Cane's. So I'm driving to Raising Cane's right now because all I can think about is cane sauce and dipping the french fries in the cane sauce with some lemonade. That is my life right now. I'm 9 weeks right now, if anyone was wondering, and I can't stop thinking about food. This is a food baby, and it is terrible.
Yeah, you gonna go?
Right now, Raising Cane's has the, you know how like McDonald's has like the Monopoly thing where you can pull the things off? They're doing that, and I had it earlier this week and forgot to check my cup. So at the window, I was like, oh, let me see if I want anything. And I wanted free fries, but I had already paid. So next time, free fries for me. Who's ready for today? What are y'all eating for breakfast? Nutella pancakes and yogurt?
He calls pancakes eggs.
Hey, what you eating?
These.
What are they called?
Pancakes.
You said it right! Nora, why are you excited today?
Because I get to go to school and tell everyone about the baby. Because last time I went to school, I couldn't tell anyone about the baby because we didn't go to the hospital yet and tell the baby.
Yes, so we told everybody that we were pregnant, and Nora cannot wait to tell all of her friends at school. Everything's in your book bag. You ready to go to school, dude? No, why? Because why? Oh, well, you're going to have a great day today. Off to school. Yeah, show us.
It's not time yet.
Okay.
We're not walked up to our lamination. Hey! Got any apples? No. Got any grapes? No. Got any oranges? No.
Shepherd!
Hey, dude! Hey, dude! Hey, dude! Got any apples? What? Got any apples? What? Got any grapes? No. Got any oranges? One more question for you.
Life here, because y'all just need to know what real life is. This is real life. My face like this. Oh, and I colored my hair purple today. Bright purple. And that's just what life is. So, last night I forgot to video because I'm new at this whole vlogging thing. The last couple nights, Shepherd has decided that he is going to take off his pull-up in the middle of the night, and he's going to pee in his bed, and then he's going to come in our bed because he has pee in his bed, but not tell us, and then lay in our bed, and then pee in our bed. And then in the morning, we were like, where's your pull-up? I didn't know the first night. Maybe we just forgot to put it on. The second night, both knew that we had put the pull-up on, and he still ended up in our bed. So we had 2 nights of pee everywhere. So yesterday, I told Shepherd, listen, if you take your pull-up off, you are going to be in trouble and you are going to get a spanking in the morning. And I'm serious. If you take your pull-up off, this is it. This is the last chance. And I saw that he was still in his bed and he was still awake. And I was like, oh, he looks so cute. He's not even tired yet. He's just asleep. He's just chilling. And so I went in there to kiss him and I was like, hey, you're being such a good boy. And he was like, and I said, do you have your pull-up on? That was the face he gave me. I said, Shepherd, did you take your pull-up off? Sure enough, he had taken his pull-up off. And so Mitch and I had to pull out the duct tape. We had to duct tape his pull-up on so that he would keep his pull-up on. And so the video I'm about to show y'all is what he was like in the morning.
I'll put on this.
What?
See?
What happened?
It's stuck.
It's stuck? Why is it stuck?
Because you put tape on it.
Why did I put tape on it?
I dyed it, so I don't know about that.
You don't know about that? You don't know about that?
Wait, where are my cool pens?
I don't know. We gotta cut them off, huh?
You have to cut it off. But you have to.
Put up your shirt. Okay, so now this is night 3 or 4. Oh, I forgot to wear gloves. I'm an Oompa Loompa. So we just put the kids down and Shepherd promised that he was not going to take off his pull-up. So we chose not to duct tape him tonight. And we shall see in the morning if we have a clean bed and if he has a clean bed. So fingers crossed that we will get some sleep tonight without pee in our beds. Did you sleep in your bed last night? What else did you do?
Look at my pull-up.
You what? Look at me and tell me. What?
Look at my pull-up.
You didn't take off your pull-up. Woohoo! Let me see. All right. That's a good dude. Oh, and Daddy gave you some chocolate? Oh. I look a mess. Anyway, our in-laws are over. And so I asked if we could go on a date to Walmart. Here we are, going on a date in Walmart.
No one's gonna see what deodorant I get.
Gosh.
What are you doing that for?
Because we're having a date in Walmart.
You gonna show me checking labels on the cake?
Yeah. Maybe Dethrone will give us some shout outs. Hey Dethrone.
I got enough of those clothes.
Look how hot my hubby looks in his clothes. The kids have been playing Play-Doh so well that we are going to surprise them with some Play-Doh colors when we get home. We came for like 2 things and we're leaving with a full buggy. But at least we got our Play-Doh. Look what we got, y'all! Shepherd, look! Look at all the Play-Doh! Play-Doh! What is it?
Play-Doh!
Yay!
Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I've never been on YouTube before. And I'm so excited.